Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily import and export domains using the Domain for Sale plugin. This feature helps you manage multiple domains quickly and efficiently. Before we get started, make sure you installed and activate Domain for Sale in your website. First, go to your Domain for Sale menu from your WordPress dashboard. Here you will see previously added domains. Then click on the Tools option. By default, you'll land on the Import tab. Here, you'll see three options: Import Domain, Import Listing, and Import Settings. Let's start with Import Domain. Click on Import Domain. You can upload your file by dragging and dropping it into the upload area or by clicking to select a file from your computer. The plugin supports CSV, XML, and JSON formats. If you're not sure how to format your file, simply click on Download Sample CSV File. This sample file shows the exact structure you need to follow. Each row in the file represents one domain. The columns include domain title, domain slug, domain name, domain logo URL, sell price, and status. Make sure your data follows this format to ensure a smooth import. Once your file is ready, upload it and click the Import Domain button. After a few seconds, you'll see a success message, and your domains will appear in the All Domains list. Next, let's look at Import Listing. This option allows you to import listing data in the same way. Just upload your file and click Import. Now, go to Import Settings. This feature allows you to upload a previously exported settings file. Only JSON files are supported here. Upload the file to instantly restore your plugin settings. Now let's move to the Export tab. Here you'll see Export Domain, Export Listing, and Export Settings. To export domains, select the domains you want or choose all. Then select your preferred file format, such as CSV, XML, or JSON, and click Export Domain. Your file will be downloaded instantly. For exporting listings, select the listings, choose the format, and click Export Listing. To export your settings, simply click Export Settings. A JSON file will be downloaded, which you can later use to restore your configuration on another site. And that's it. You now know how to import and export domains, listings, and settings using the Domain for Sale plugin. This makes managing and migrating your domain data simple and efficient.